5, 6, 7 more roller skates? Well, this is a ton of work. I'm wondering if anybody's going to want to finish this lesson. Is this one too much of a challenge?
It might feel different, but that's where the fun begins. Big ideas need big effort. Don't quit on me now.
Welcome to Art Lessons with the Dream Keepers. Happy Thoughts, introduce yourself.
I'm all about making you smile, because art should be fun.
And hard work, what about you?
I'm all about keeping you focused, because great art should be finished.
You're both right. Let's be a super team today. Today we're going to draw a spider on roller skates. When we need some help, we'll peek inside the Dream Keeper's book. There's always a little magic waiting in there. Are you ready?
Woohoo! Here we go! Yeah! Let's do this! Oh, boy!
Let's go! The first thing to do is draw a straight line down the middle of the page. Then another line going across this way. From here to here, come together and find the middle and make a dot. Same thing up here. Then we're going to make 2 more dots here. They should be about the same distance from the center as the top and the bottom dots. Connect all the dots to make a diamond.
A strong plan makes a strong finish.
Make these 2 corners a little bit round. And down here, make these corners super round, almost like you're drawing a circle inside the diamond. Then erase the pointy corners. Starting right in the middle of this side, draw a straight line coming out, and then a few bumps that go this way. This is a fuzzy spider, and this is the top of his head.
It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.
Erase the straight line right here. Starting right down in this corner and pointing out at the hair, we're going to draw an oval. This is one of the spider's eyes. In the middle of this line, make another oval. Inside the ovals, we're going to draw some little circles. This one's going to be at the top, and this one is over here on the side. That looks kind of silly. Right under this line in the middle, we're going to make a little U shape. Over here, just under the eye, we're going to make another U shape, about the same size, and connect those with a big silly smile.
Creativity means making it your way. It's okay to be different here.
Erase all of the extra lines inside the face. Next, we'll just need to draw all of the legs. That shouldn't be too tricky, right? We'll start by drawing some dots where the legs will stick out from the body. In this section right here, we're going to draw 3 dots. So starting from this line, come up a little bit and make a dot. Go a little bit more, make another dot. Make 1 more dot. Now underneath this line, come down just a little bit and make 1 dot. Then move straight across the face and make another dot over here. Right in the middle between here and here, come together and make another dot. Draw another one right here where this line touches the face. And then in this section, between this line and the bumps on his head, come together and make another dot. Do we have enough dots? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, spiders have a lot of legs. They have a lot of feet too, and we'll get to that, but First, we need to draw the ground where two of the roller skates are going to be standing. Now in this section here, along this line, starting at the bottom of the face and the bottom of the page, come together and make a short line. Then make that line go all the way across the page.
You're making something only you can create. How awesome is that?
Starting right here on this side of the face, come straight down all the way under this long line and make a short line that sticks out this way. This is the bottom of the first roller skate. Only 7 more to go. Are you ready? Along this line from here to here, come together and then draw a short line sticking up this way. In this box, come together and find the middle, and then draw a short line that sticks out like this. In the middle of this space, make another short line. Come straight down underneath this line and make another one.
Think, plan, and give it your all.
Going straight up above this line, make another one. The next one's going to be way up here, almost at the top of the page. And then one more. Line it up with the top of the eyes and come almost all the way to the side of the page. You just drew all the spider's feet. Phew, are you still with me? This is turning out to be a real challenge, isn't it? Now it's time to draw the legs connecting to the body. From this middle dot, move to the side and stop here, right above this foot. Now draw a line from the bottom dot to that dot that we just drew. Then connect it to this side of the foot that's closest to the spider's body.
No stress, no pressure. Just try your best.
Let's erase this line going through the middle so it's not in our way. Right between the edge of the spider's body and this foot, come together and move up and make a dot. Draw a line from there to the foot, then count down 1, 2, 3 to this dot and connect that to the knee. Just above this dot, make another one and connect it to this foot like this. The next one goes here and connects like this. From this dot, go straight up till you're right about even with this foot, and then connect with lines like this.
I see you putting in the work. That's what makes a great artist.
From this knee to this knee, find the middle, make a dot. Draw your lines from here to here and here to here. From this dot, move straight to the side, but not touching that foot. Connect that, and then come straight down to this side of this foot. On this side, starting at this knee, come straight down and lined up with this dot, we're going to make another dot for a knee and connect everything like this. Make sure you connect to this side of the short line. Phew, okay, there's the legs. Now I'm going to show you how to draw a roller skate. From the bottom of the foot, come up just a little bit and make a short line going across right here. Now make the line of the foot stick out a little bit longer in the back and connect the ends like this. Then for the front of the skate, make a line coming down just a little bit and then a bump for the toes. Underneath the skate, draw 2 circles for the wheels. And then erase this line that's on the inside. All right, we have 1 roller skate. And we need to draw how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more roller skates. Well, this is a ton of work. I'm wondering if anybody's going to want to finish this lesson. Is this one too much of a challenge?
It might feel different, but that's where the fun begins. Big ideas need big effort. Don't quit on me now.
Tell you what, let's take a quick look at the Dreamkeepers book. Let's turn to the page where the Dreamkeepers are in a sailboat up in the clouds. Oh, right here. They're on this amazing journey with the little star. It could be smooth sailing for a while, but often a time comes when the path ahead will look impossible.
Please, don't give up.
When stars give up on reaching for the sky, they become lost dreams. This is where many dreams end. Oh, look at the lost dreams over here. They look so sad because they gave up on reaching for the sky. What can we learn from this? Well, every big accomplishment starts at the bottom. All you have is your imagination wondering if it's possible. So make it a really big dream. Then take one step at a time. Start with your imagination and please don't give up.
If you can dream it, you can draw it. Okay, dreaming is done. Now, let's make it happen.
You're totally right. We can do this. I won't give up. And I hope that all of our artist friends won't give up either. Let's draw the rest of the skates. Come up a little ways, make a short line across, make this line stick out in the back, and make another line here. On this side, come down just a little ways and make a bump for the toes. And then draw 2 wheels. Don't forget to erase this extra line on the inside. Okay, let's keep going with the rest. A few more to go. Who's still with me? Will you make it through the challenge?
You're almost there. Now, let's finish big. Finish big? That means no shortcuts. Let's get it right.
Whew, there's all 8 skates. All right.
Let's keep dreaming big. What's next?
Let's add some wiggle lines to make it look like the spider's moving around. Okay, the next part of the challenge is to trace over the pencil with some marker.
We're working hard and we're working smart too. Let's get it done.
To make it look like the spider has fuzzy legs, first trace over the pencil with a straight line, and then make a zigzag line on each side. Now it's time to erase the extra pencil lines that we don't need. The next step is to color it in. Underneath these 2 skates, we're going to draw just a few crisscross lines to make a shadow, and a few right here in the middle that are right under the spider's body.
Pick the colors that make you happy.
Could you think of a story that goes with the spider that goes along with our lesson? Because it certainly does look like this is a challenge for him, but he's smiling, so it looks like he's having fun. I hope you are too. And that's it. You completed the challenge. A spider on roller skates.
I'm so proud of you. Well done.
We had a blast today. Keep practicing and never give up.
We believe in you. Now go put in the work.
See you next time. Keep dreaming and keep drawing.
Catch you later.
To get the Dream Keepers book or schedule an author illustrator visit to your school, check out my website, ahcreations.com.